friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you class 3rd computer. Okay, so the first chapter is the computer system. Okay, so the computer has mainly two main parts: hardware and software. Hardware and software. So hardware is the components that can be touched, like joystick, light, pen, scanner, monitor, mouse, etc. Okay, now software are the components that we cannot see and we cannot touch. Okay, like Linux and Unix. Okay, so now second topic is how does a computer works. How does a computer works? Okay, so it is IPO. It works on IPO. I will tell you what is IPO. IPO. IPO means input. I means input. P means process. O means output. Okay. Now, what are input devices? Okay, now my third topic is input devices. Wait. My third topic, before that I will tell you what is input. Input means I will give an example. Like input is the dirty clothes. Process means washing machine, that the dirty clothes are in the machine and they will give the output clean clothes. Okay, now what are input devices? Input devices like keyboard. Okay, so first input devices is keyboard. Keyboard is consisting of many keys. Okay, we type anything, we take keyboard and we will type something we need to type on the monitor. Now what is mouse? Mouse has 3 buttons. Some mouses have 4 buttons also, and some mouses have 2 buttons also. Okay, so mouse is used for clicking, selecting and pointing the object. Okay, so and it has between a scroll bar. We can scroll anything that we want. Okay, then your brother has a document and he want to scroll something to write anything on the next page on the MS Office. Okay, so what he will do? He will use the scroll bar and scroll the page. Okay, so now third is touch screen. Computer screen is bigger and touch screen is smaller. When we will touch something on the computer screen by our fingers, it will not work because it is working by a keyboard and a mouse. But by a tablet or a mobile phone, it works by our fingers. Okay, so and we will give a sensitive touch to it. Now what is touchpad? Okay, so touchpad is on the laptop. that I have said to you that touch screen is used by our fingers, but in laptops some we need to scroll anything. We can't scroll anything by it. Okay. And in the down phase we are provided this type of. Okay. So here we will do the scrolling of it by clicking this key and we will scroll it. And we are not using this key. Okay. Rightly you are explained now. Light pen. A light pen is used to point any of the objects. This can also be used to draw on the screen. We can do some drawing or anything on the screen. Okay. Now joystick. Joystick is the stick by which we can place the game in the computer system. Okay. So now microphone. Microphone is a device which helps to increase the quality of sound. Means that I am saying to you, if I will say with a microphone, you will get greater sound. Okay. Now scanner. The scanner is the device which scan anything that we write on the monitor. Okay. Now the scanner has two parts. Okay, two types of scanner are here. So first scanner is flathead width, flatbed, scan. So what is flatbed scanner? These scanners are kept on a hard surface, okay, such as table, and are connected to the computer. Okay. So how to scan a document on the flatbed scanner? Open the lid of the scanner. We need to open the lid of the scanner. Put the paper to be scanned upside down to the glass surface. We need to put the paper on the glass surface. Press the scan button. We need to press the scan button. A beam of light passed through the document inside. One light will be blurring on the scanner, in the scanner. You can see anything, you can see the scanned document appearing on the picture on the paper. Okay, now handle head or barcode and QR code scanner. You go to some malls, they scan some lines that are backward of the food packets or anything. You take some stationery. Okay, so the small stick type scanner are here. They scan the barcode. Okay, it is set like this. Well, it is looking like this, and they scan this picture in the backward, on the backward of the packet of the food or of the stationery. Okay, so then these barcode scanner are connected with the computer system. When this barcode is scanned, then Then the shopkeeper get the information of the packet on the computer system. Okay, now digital camera. Digital camera is a new age camera that can click some photos or are used in to make some videos. Okay, now what is webcam? Webcam is commonly used for short phrase for web camera. Okay, a video call is a real-time exchange of the between two users. Means the digital camera and the webcam camera is different types of cameras. Okay, so if you like my video, please like and subscribe it and share it.